Hi, it's David here with Futures Trading. I'd like to welcome you if this is your first time stopping by the channel. Thank you so much for coming by. If you're a returning visitor, thank you so much for coming over. Now, we've had an uptick in subscribers since yesterday's video. We were at like 145, but we're at 152. Thank you so much for coming on board. We're trying to build a community of professionals that actually care about others. That's all. And so if you make $10, $100,000 a day, we wouldn't care. The main goal is to build a level of equality amongst us as professionals, to show a level of politeness. And so, if you don't mind, again, you're here because someone cared. It was by fate. We did not purchase any likes or views to get you here. And so, if you don't mind, participate in that manner. And of course, further that agenda. We don't want to implement deceptive behavior. We want to implement caring. And so, we'll grow a community of caring. Really important that you understand that. So, if you don't mind, definitely show that level of caring to someone else. Tell someone, or either just hit the like button every time you see one of the videos, even if you already learned the content. Make sure that you help us grow this community of professionals that actually care. All right, so now if you're new to the channel, clearly I want to make sure I point you in the right direction. So the first thing you're going to do is start with this. I kind of made this video 2 weeks ago, kind of bring you up to speed. So this is something you'll want to start with. So if you're viewing this, of course, in the header here, the new to the channel, learn it all here real time. I want you to go ahead and take a look at that. All right, now I just did this video just a few days ago, and it's really important that you know this. If you ever felt like quitting, remember you're here by fate. You're here by fate. I don't want you to do that. I don't want you to quit. Not yet. Not yet. Don't quit yet until you look at some of this content here. Don't do that. All right. Now, we care about you here. Really important that you know that. The channel is all about universal, and it's a very important word. I suggest you go take your time today, if you don't mind, and take a look at that word more intently. But here's the universal price action trend, the price action method, and then of course there's the universal chart scale. Want you to, of course, be familiar with this information. Now, I did incorporate some other information for those that want to counter trend the market. So if you want to do that, you're more than welcome to take a look. The trading guide. This is the primary focus of the channel. So if you don't want to watch that video that's like an hour, you can take it in small bites if you want. And again, this is three turning points. There's actually three turning points here, and I actually be uh, be giving away templates and stuff that's free. So yeah, it's only going to be for a limited time. We'll talk about that. But this static levels, the ranges, I'm giving that stuff away for free, and that chart scale. Now, I've done live trades here. I've done like 1,000 ticks in the trade. If you want to see any of this information down here, totally welcome to it. My finances are personal to me, so I don't do a lot of it online. Again, I'm here trying to educate people, not to entice you to be a trader, because I don't want you to end up in financial ruin. My goal is to educate you. I want to get you where you want to go with the information. This indicator is for free. If I'm well, not for free, but for purchase. If you would like to pick it up, it's totally up to you. Not here for that. As well as this information here. Again, it's at the bottom of the page for a reason. Not here for that. All right. But if you need more, there's some information there for you. All right. Now, that's that indicator. If you want to pick it up, it's actually 8 of them that I give you. This is the indicator though, and so wherever you see the red or the green bars, that's real participation, and it's a real time identification process. And I kind of did a video on yesterday outlining that information. Let me put it in front of you in case you want to watch it. We're starting to dive into some of the identity of the market, and I plan on doing more of that this week, actually. So we're going to be looking at that this week. All right, we're going to want you to kind of look at the chart in a way that you go about making your choices day to day. Want to be able to make sure that that confidence is there, that you're not feeling doubtful, fearful, intimidated. Don't want you to have anxiety issues. Want you to look at the chart and understand the identity of the market. What is the market actually doing? And so we're going to get into that moving forward. Should you want to stick around or just go back and watch yesterday's video, I started it, but I'm going to be doing a little bit more of a deep dive into it this week. And again, all I'm going to do is just drill down into what makes sense. The market is doing something every day, and it's sensible what it's doing, and you just need to know what it looks like, and I'm gonna help you with it. Things I will not do on the channel, because the channel is a library. I want you to know that I will be leaving in January, and I will not be doing a lot of maintenance of the channel. So today is December the 10th, and so come January, there will be, of course, enough information here for you to just further your own education with the information that's available. And occasionally I will do an upload as I see fit because I've already ran a company online as well as a YouTube channel, and I'm retired. I do not want to continue to be on YouTube. I'm not a YouTube personality, professional trader. So sensationalized trading with enticing intro and rhetoric. So you won't see any video on the channel that has any kind of in 2024 or anything like. I'm not doing none of that. All right. All you will see on the thumbnail is the chart we actually went over. Plaster my face all over the video. Again, we need to look at the market. The market has an identity. I'm going to be revealing that to you. So you don't need to see my face. Spend your time being egotistical for an extended period of time only to share a couple minutes of actual content. Time is an allotted portion at your disposal suitable for a purpose. That's one of the definitions for it. And I want you to know that I value my time, so I won't waste yours. Mentally manipulate you by enticing you to follow me with deceptive behavior such as purchasing views and like, and we already talked about that. Really important. Promoting various indicators over time to attract more viewers by abandoning the core information of the channel. Now, this is what the channel do offer. Again, this is a library, all right? There's that universal trend and that distance it will go that will show up every day. The universal price action pattern that will show up in all winning trades, any winning trade you take, I guarantee you it'll be there. So any strategy, any methods online, you can just go ahead and take this shortcut and learn this pattern. And then that way you don't have to learn a lot of different stuff. You can put the indicators away, you can do all of that, and you can just learn this pattern. I guarantee you, you'll see that it'll show up in any winning trade. The universal chart scale method. Now, this is a way of looking at the chart from the hard right edge. Notice the candles is off here to the left here. That universal chart scale deals with this hard right edge and everything moving forward. So it deals with time moving forward, no hindsight. All right. Now, our community goal is to have professional traders by the standards of politeness that care for others and not just financial gain. Again, we do not care if you just make $10 or 100,000 in a day. We don't care. It doesn't matter to me. It's all about equality here, and we want to make sure that we're polite towards each other and share our private thoughts publicly to encourage one another to grow. All right. So if you have questions, you can ask them. I hope that I'm available to answer them. But if I'm not, I'm sure one of the fellow professionals on the channel here wouldn't mind chiming in and giving you some advice. For a limited time, there are free templates available for NT8. All right, so it's only for a limited time. This will no longer be available come 5/24. So that will probably be that year mark. So I came in on May, I believe. And so a year, I'm gonna give you all the free stuff that I possibly can in the next upcoming months. All right. So try to go ahead and get those free templates. I want you to have them again. I'm not trying to go to work again. I already took my company offline. I don't plan on doing a lot of work. Just want to give the YouTube space something useful, something that you can utilize right away. I will not be maintaining frequent uploads beyond that of 124. So this channel is a library. I'm not a YouTube personality. I told you I'm a professional trader, so I don't have the time to just sit online and give you videos. Because once I teach you this information, and this is what I will say, it's timeless. And so once I teach it to you, you would never look at the chart the same. You would never forget it. So it's not really necessary, if you will, for me to constantly be up here giving you the same content over and over and over and over again. All right. So as much as I enjoy sharing information, I'm gonna give it to you in a way that you would never have to listen to me talk to you about it again. All right. So within the next couple, I guess, couple days, or I'll say a week. Within the next week, because it's the 10th. So within the next week, hopefully by the end of this week, I will have enough information dealing with the identity of the market, so you can identify with the market in a way that will build your confidence level and have you, of course, taking trades in a way that will definitely makes sense. Okay. And you'll understand why. All right. So again, welcome. And I wish you all the best with your trading. Take care.